Welcome to your natural way to learn English.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel, English Made Natural. I'm Mia.
I'm really happy you're here today, and I'm Noah. Hey friends, welcome back. Mia, today's topic sounds interesting, but also a bit confusing for me already.
Haha, don't worry, Noah. That's actually perfect because today we are learning something very simple but very important. How to say you are not sure in English.
Okay. Because honestly, Mia, I always just say, I don't know. Is that bad?
Not bad, but sometimes it sounds too short or a little cold. Imagine someone is asking you something and you just say, I don't know, and walk away. It feels incomplete.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, that does sound a bit rude, actually. I never noticed that before.
Exactly. But don't worry. Today I'll help you sound more natural, like native speakers. Let me tell you a small story. This morning I went to a small cafe. It was quiet, very peaceful. I was sitting with my laptop trying to focus.
Sounds relaxing. What happened?
A man next to me suddenly asked a question. He looked unsure himself. A bit lost, actually. He asked, "Do you know if this cafe has Wi-Fi all day?"
Oh, that's actually a common question.
Yes, and I honestly wasn't 100% sure. But instead of saying, I don't know, I paused for a second and said, I'm not entirely sure, but I think it does. You may want to ask the staff.
That sounds so much nicer, honestly. And what happened?
He smiled and said, thank you. It felt very natural, no awkwardness at all. Let's learn some useful expressions. First one, I'm not entirely sure.
That sounds calm, not harsh at all.
Yes. Second, I'm not quite sure yet.
That sounds like professional English, like at work.
Exactly. Third, I'm not 100% sure.
Oh, I hear that all the time in real life. Friends use it a lot.
And last one, I think so, but I'm not certain.
That one sounds very honest, like you're trying your best.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mia, let me try something serious. Imagine I'm at work. My manager asks me, is the report ready?
Yes, what would you say?
I would say, I'm not quite sure yet. I'll check and confirm.
Perfect. That sounds responsible and calm. Not stressed, not careless. Now imagine you are talking to a friend.
Okay.
They ask, what time does the movie start?
I think so, but I'm not 100% sure. Not sure, maybe around 7?
Yes, that sounds very natural, like everyday conversation.
I also have a small story. I was at a train station last week. A tourist looked really confused. He asked me, does this train go to the city center?
And you helped him?
I tried. I wasn't fully sure, so I said, I think it does, but I'm not certain. You can check the board there.
That was perfect, Noah. You didn't just say, I don't know. You still helped him. And this is very important. Not being sure is completely normal.
Yeah, that actually makes me feel better.
Even native speakers use these phrases every day. Nobody knows everything, and that's okay. Let's quickly review. I'm not entirely sure is polite.
I'm not quite sure yet is professional.
Finally, I'm not 100% sure is casual.
I think so, but I'm not certain.
Now try using one of these today. Even a small sentence is enough.
And don't worry about mistakes. That's how we learn.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again
on English Made Natural. We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, take care, and keep learning with English Made Natural.